Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Thomas. I'm a professor in the School of Communication and Design, and I direct the Center for Environmental Communication at Loyola. Hurricane Katrina didn't just change New Orleans, it changed the course of thousands of lives, including mine. At Loyola, we remember the fear and uncertainty of that time, but we also remember the courage, the care, the community that carried us forward. This year marks 20 years since the storm, and we're inviting you, our alumni, our students, our neighbors, our friends, to help us tell the story of who we've become. Maybe you were here when it happened. Maybe you came back to rebuild. Maybe your path to Loyola began with Katrina. However it shaped your journey, we want to hear from you. I'll be sharing my story at katrina.loyno.edu. I hope you'll share yours too. Together we made it, and the story's not over.